say bad things to us. They're gonna break us.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate.
What really?
Thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Oh, there's so many.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we use later on in the process.
Hey, look at it.
Every day, Shelby and Taylor loves pick up milk from multiple farms right outside of Hershey for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what makes Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. We dry the chocolate crumbs to a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and adapt with vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell.
You're mixing us.
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step of the process.
The punching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers slow down the chocolate crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After punching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumping conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Love Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Right, Hershey and
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Different pieces.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guys' way. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love.